Hey guys, today I am discussing about the Tableau introductions, which tools we are using, which 19.3. These are the tools, right? So I am talking about Tableau domain file and underscomes the today agenda of today 19.3 underscomes. You can see hover over in this area. And today we are talking about the Tableau file menu. Second one, agendas, data connections and connections type. Third one, agenda, data source, data pane and analytics pane, right? So let us see one by one how is work and what is that tool's meaning, right? So this data describe and metadata, let's see, we'll see later. Show me and dashboard. Under dashboard, the many objects there's and each and everything we will I will describe with you guys. So first, Tableau file menu. So what is a Tableau file menu? So I'm going to show you where is Tableau file. So when we create new Tableau file, so it's shown the Tableau menu, so which is second one, Tableau menu, right? So Tableau menu, what is the file, what the data underscome in Tableau, so what is the worksheet and what is the dashboard, what is the story, analysis, map, format, server, windows and help. So these are the data Tableau menu, and these are the icons of this Tableau, so you can use. So I'm going to, in the Tableau 19.3 version, I want to show how it's work, right? So right now I'm moving in Tableau. Here is as a file. You can see you can create a new file. You can open that file, right? Whether you want to save that twbx file and either you twb file, right? So you can open easy way with the help of file menu. So these are the save as, export versions. You can create guys export as a PowerPoint. So these are the many feature underscome this. So these are the file. What are the data? Data underscomes whenever you want to add some new data sources. So Control D and these ones you can use that. Whether your data you have a format like file type, like text file your data you have, yeah, Microsoft Excel data you have. So these kind of data you whatever you have data, you can add this data. So these are the data. What is a worksheet? When you click that new worksheet, so these are sheet 2 here is open. So these are the worksheet. Let's see later how it's work. Dashboard underscomes one or more sheet and with informations. So that is when you click and the dashboard. So let's see, open dashboard 2, open here. So I will tell you what is the layout, what is the object and what is the size, what is your default size and what is your font size. I will discuss later. Story, you can add this caption and XYZ X something you have. This one you have data. You come up with the story sentence, and here is your sheet area, like you can drag over there. So these are the story. And what is the format? Format underscomes when you drag and drop in the sheet, and you can see either here in file menu directly you can access, and directly you can format this sheet, and dash level also you can do the perform. What is the server? Server, you whatever you your profile, whatever your dashboard you develop, so you can share with someone, like publish dashboard with your public Tableau public. Yep, right. So this one, save your Tableau public, save as a Tableau public. So Windows is nothing, just you can show you can the toolbars, whatever you want. This one, this side, left side pane you don't want, so you can select and click on that operations, like help you have what kind of you using their like Tableau. So these are the informations. So I'm using here Tableau 19.3. These are these Tableau I'm using here, right? So let's move on PowerPoint. What agenda? So these are guys tools. File. These are the tools. These are the icon tools. So which is, I will tell you later what is the standard size and what is these meanings of this size, right? So file, data, worksheet, dashboard, these are the menu file of the Tableau. Let's see later. Next one, data connections and data connection type, right? So what is the data, what is the connections and what is the connection type? There are two type of connections. First one is data connections and second one is analytics connections, right? So and what is the connection type? So they are here I have two type of connections. First one is live, second one is abstract. I will share with you next upcoming lectures. I will share with you how to work with a live and how to work with a abstract, right? So I will show you where is my Tableau, where is data, right? Suppose I store a sample superstore data. This one I'm going to see it. So these are data connections. These are data connections and these are analytics. Two type of data connections, analytic connections and data connections. So these are dimension and these are measure. Measure are numerical variable, dimension are categorical variables, right? I will show you later how these are performed and how it is work, right? So I'm going to jump that next. Which ones? Yeah, these ones. Data connection type and connection. So I already discussed. So right now, data source. What is a data source? What is a data pane? And what is the analytics pane, right? Yeah. So already discussed with this one also. This is the data pane. This is the analytics pane. And data source. What is the data source? Whatever you have data with loaded in Tableau. So this one, when you click data source, so these are the data source. You can add this data source ever you want. Amazon, yeah, ever you want something else, you data you want to you add here, right? Whatever you want to add this data, right? So these are the data source. And again, describe and metadata. What is describe data and what is metadata? I will show you here in Tableau. This one detailings of the data here. Each and everything, yeah, data this have like this one data is a numericals. This one data date functions with come. So these are right. And what about metadata? Metadata is nothing, just it's about the data. So this is the metadata. That's I'm talking about here, guys. So this one is data, detailings of the data, which is in order date, which is in numericals, which is geographical data, right? So these are the data about